As we age, our priorities often shift dramatically. We begin to value simplicity, health, and quality over the clutter that can accumulate around us. The kitchen, a space designed for nourishment and connection with family and friends, should reflect this mindset. Unfortunately, over time, kitchens can become filled with items that not only take up valuable space, but may also pose hidden health risks. Many of these dangers go unnoticed until they affect our well-being. Today, I want to share essential information about toxic kitchen items that seniors should consider decluttering immediately. This advice is not just based on personal opinion. It is echoed by countless individuals who have experienced the benefits of a cleaner, safer kitchen. By removing these items from your kitchen, you can create a healthier environment that promotes well-being and enhances your cooking experience. Let's dive into these items together and understand why it's crucial to make these changes for a healthier lifestyle. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloom and Nourish. Before we dive in, I would appreciate it if you could like this video. Your support helps me share valuable lessons about aging. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. If you enjoy this video, please comment with a 1. And if not, comment with a 0 so I can improve my content for you. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Nonstick cookware with worn coatings. Nonstick pans are a blessing in the kitchen because they make cooking and cleanup easier. However, as they age, their coatings can wear down and flake off into your food. Most nonstick cookware is made with Teflon, which can release harmful chemicals when heated if the coating is damaged. These chemicals, such as perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, have been linked to serious health issues like thyroid problems and even cancer. Many seniors have reported feeling healthier after switching to alternatives like stainless steel or cast iron cookware. These options not only last longer, but also enhance the flavor of your meals. If you're hesitant about making the switch, consider starting small, perhaps replacing one skillet at a time. You might be surprised at the difference in taste and quality. Additionally, seasoning cast iron pans can create a natural nonstick surface that many home cooks swear by. This simple step not only improves cooking performance, but also adds character to your cookware. Number 2. Plastic utensils and containers. Many plastic items contain BPA or other harmful chemicals that can leach into food, especially when heated. Over the years, seniors often accumulate a collection of plastic utensils and containers that may no longer be safe to use. Heat can warp these plastics, leading to cracks where bacteria can hide. One neighbor shared her experience of replacing her old plastic containers with glass ones, noting that her soups and stews tasted fresher and were easier to clean. She also found that switching to silicone spatulas and bamboo utensils made her feel more eco-friendly too. You can declutter warped or stained plastic containers and replace them with glass or stainless steel alternatives. Look for containers with airtight lids for better food preservation. Using wooden or silicone utensils instead of plastic is another great choice. Silicone can withstand high temperatures without degrading, making it a safer option for your kitchen. Number 3. Chipped or cracked dinnerware. Those chipped plates and mugs may hold sentimental value, but can also harbor bacteria. Even small cracks can become breeding grounds for germs, especially in humid environments. Additionally, older ceramics might contain lead-based glazes that are unsafe for food use. If you've inherited antique dinnerware, it might be worth testing for lead before continued use. It's time to say goodbye to damaged pieces and invest in a small set of high-quality dinnerware that is both functional and stylish. Consider repurposing sentimental pieces, like turning an old teacup into a planter, rather than keeping them in the kitchen. Opt for durable chip-resistant dinnerware made from stoneware or tempered glass that not only looks good but is also practical for everyday use. Number 4. Spices older than 5 years. Did you know spices lose their potency and nutritional benefits over time? Many seniors hold onto spice racks filled with jars from decades ago. Expired spices can attract pests like pantry moths, making your kitchen less inviting. One elderly woman mentioned how refreshing it felt to clean out old spices and restock them with fresh, vibrant ones. Fresh spices not only enhance flavor, but also retain their health benefits such as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Toss anything you can't remember buying. Common culprits include ground nutmeg, paprika, and oregano. And replace your staples with smaller quantities to ensure freshness. Buying in bulk when possible and storing spices in airtight containers will help preserve their flavor longer while keeping your pantry organized. Number 5. Aluminum cookware. Though lightweight and affordable, aluminum pots and pans can leach into food, especially acidic dishes like tomato sauce, causing potential health risks over time. Long-term exposure to aluminum has been linked to various health concerns, including Alzheimer's disease. While the scientific consensus isn't definitive on this matter, many people prefer to err on the side of caution when it comes to their health. If you're still using aluminum cookware, consider upgrading to anodized aluminum or other safer materials like stainless steel or ceramic-coated options, which are both durable and non-toxic. Many seniors recommend enamel-coated cast iron for its durability and even heating properties, while being visually appealing enough to serve directly from the oven to the table, making it both functional and stylish. Explore these alternatives as they not only improve safety, but also enhance your cooking experience. Number 6. Outdated small appliances. That ancient toaster or coffee maker might still work adequately. However, older appliances can emit harmful chemicals or pose fire hazards as rubber seals degrade over time. Components like plastic casings may become brittle or warped after years of use. A gentleman once shared how his 15-year-old blender began emitting a burnt plastic smell before he decided to replace it, and he noticed an immediate improvement in his smoothies. Inspect your appliances regularly for signs of wear, such as frayed cords or unusual smells. If it sparks joy or functionality, keep it. Otherwise, replace it. Upgrading outdated items with energy-efficient models will not only enhance your cooking experience, but also save money on electricity bills while reducing your carbon footprint. Number 7. Old non-food items. Your kitchen might be hiding expired cleaning supplies or rusty sponges, all of which can spread bacteria throughout your home if left unchecked. Moldy cleaning items introduce allergens into your living space, which may worsen respiratory conditions. One YouTube comment I once read mentioned how much brighter and cleaner a kitchen felt after tossing dingy cleaning supplies. Replace old sponges with silicone scrubbers or washable bamboo cloths for better hygiene, while refreshing dish towels and oven mitts regularly will maintain cleanliness in your cooking space. Consider using natural cleaners like vinegar and baking soda instead of harsh chemicals. This not only reduces chemical exposure, but is also kinder on the environment. Making your own cleaning sprays saves money while minimizing waste, an excellent way to keep your kitchen clean without compromising health. Number 8. Unused or duplicate gadgets. Do you really need 3 garlic presses or that waffle maker you haven't touched in years? Clutter can make cooking feel overwhelming and stressful. Many people find simplifying their kitchens makes meal prep much easier. Donate or sell any gadgets you haven't used in the past year. Local donation centers or online marketplaces are great options. Keep multi-purpose tools that save space instead of bulky appliances that collect dust. An immersion blender is a fantastic alternative to a countertop blender. If you're short on space, assess each gadget critically. If it's collecting dust, it's time to let it go. Remember, less is more when it comes to efficiency in the kitchen. Number 9. Rusty or dull knives. Using rusty or dull knives isn't just a safety hazard, it can ruin your cooking experience as well. Dull knives require more force to cut, which increases the risk of accidents, while rusty blades may introduce harmful particles into your food. One man shared how upgrading to quality chef's knives transformed his meal prep experience. Investing in high-quality stainless steel options will ensure they stay sharp longer while making cooking safer overall, enhancing enjoyment during meal preparation significantly. Make sure you sharpen your knives regularly or have them professionally sharpened to maintain optimal performance. Consider investing in a magnetic strip or proper knife block for safer storage options, which will keep them organized while reducing clutter. Number 10. Expired canned goods. It's easy to forget about canned goods hiding at the back of your pantry. However, expired cans can swell or leak, posing serious health risks, especially for seniors who may be more vulnerable to foodborne illnesses. Regularly checking expiration dates is essential. Organize your pantry so older items are at the front, while newer purchases are stored in the back for easy access. This small change will help reduce waste while ensuring you're consuming safe products. If you find unopened, non-expired items you don't plan on using, consider donating them instead. It helps those in need while clearing out unnecessary clutter from your kitchen. Number 11. Dishware with faded designs. Faded patterns on dishware aren't just an aesthetic issue. Older dishes may contain lead or other harmful substances that could leach into food if chipped or worn down. If you're unsure about vintage dishware safety, test them using a home lead testing kit before continuing use. Replace older pieces with modern lead-free options for peace of mind when serving meals. Opting for plain unpainted dinnerware will further reduce potential risks associated with fading designs. Number 12. Old cutting boards. Cutting boards, especially wooden ones, can harbor bacteria in deep grooves left by knives over time, while plastic boards become scratched and stained as well. Replace heavily scratched plastic boards with bamboo or high-quality wood boards treated with food-safe oil to prevent drying out. Consider using separate boards for raw meats versus vegetables during meal prep. This simple adjustment will help keep your food safe from cross-contamination. Number 13. Old or worn-out baking sheets. Baking sheets tend to collect burnt-on grease over time, which can transfer unwanted flavors into your food. Warped sheets may affect how evenly baked goods cook as well. Investing in non-toxic baking sheets will improve results dramatically. Consider using parchment paper for easier cleanup while exploring silicone baking mats as an eco-friendly alternative that performs exceptionally well during baking tasks. Number 14. Outdated food processors or blenders. An old food processor or blender may have dull blades or leaking parts that make meal prep more difficult than necessary. Upgrading these appliances will greatly improve efficiency in the kitchen. Test appliances regularly. If blending takes longer than expected, it's likely time for an upgrade. Look for energy-efficient models that are easy to clean while saving space on countertops. Number 15. Unused specialty tools. That fondue pot you bought for one special occasion or pasta maker you haven't touched in years might just be taking up valuable space. Specialty tools clutter kitchens unnecessarily. Simplifying your collection will make your kitchen feel more open and functional. Focus on versatile tools capable of handling multiple tasks instead of keeping rarely used gadgets around. This approach will streamline both cooking processes while enhancing enjoyment during meal preparation. Your kitchen should be a haven, a place that is both functional and safe. By decluttering these toxic or outdated items from your kitchen, you're not just freeing up space, you're investing in your health and well-being as well. Remember, this process doesn't have to be overwhelming. Tackle one drawer at a time until you feel satisfied with the results. I'd love to hear from you. Have you recently decluttered any toxic kitchen items? Did it make a difference in your daily life? Let's keep this conversation going because we're all in this together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips on living your best life during your golden years. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching. Your journey towards a healthier kitchen starts today. Let's embrace it together.